So the tool I decided to use for our idea project was free logo design. Basically, what it is a website where you can enter your company name and a few details about your company, and it'll help create really cool business logo and give you a bunch of different options. You can choose some. So to get started, you just enter your company name. So mine's Rough Rides. You go get started. It allows you to enter a slogan if you have one. I don't have a slogan, so I'm going to leave that part blank. But if you have one, you can add that, and it'll add that to a logo and um, incorporate that into your idea. So what is your business type? You just kind of write a few things about it to help with the logo. So we'll do car, like a shuttle service. So I'm aiming to do golf carts instead of cars. I'm going to put golf cart. See if they can do that. And then put like taxi or something. Just kind of help it out. And go to next. Then it's going to ask you to choose some colors you like for your logo. I like flame and retro. I think are pretty cool. So let's do that. Then it's going to ask you for some fonts that you like. I'm going to choose modern, futuristic, and poster. Next, and then here's where it'll come up with a bunch of your with all the different logo designs. So you can scroll down, kind of see if you like any of these, and then it'll let you edit them. I'm gonna just pick, for the sake of this, let's go kind of like this logo. So we'll click on this. Then if you want to change it, you can change the icon size, kind of mess with that a little bit. You can change the title, change the color of that. So let's make that red. Let's do, I kind of like a little bit of spacing. Make it bigger, smaller. You can change the font type and kind of see what those look like. It really just gives you a bunch of different options. You can kind of customize it however you want. For the sake of this, we'll just go with, kind of actually like the one I got right now, so let's keep that. And then if you want to add a slogan, you can add a slogan. It'll just add it to there. The shape, you can make it bigger or smaller compared to that, and then also change the color. So I'm going to make that black, and then I will go back up to here. If you want to change the background, you can. I'm going to leave that white, and then the icon, we'll make that black. So kind of like a little red and black logo. I like that, so I'm going to go back to list. Oh, not yet actually. So I like that logo. I think that's all I want. That's gonna be my logo. So I'm gonna click finish, and then it will ask you to pay for those ones. You can get a low res for free though. So what you do is just click download, and it'll be sent by email. So you put your name, email address. Okay. And then it'll receive an email shortly. So then, boom, you're done. You just got a logo for your company. I think this is a really good tool. It's free. It's easy. I mean, it took a few minutes to create a really cool logo for my company idea. So I will definitely be using this app in the future, and I'm glad I found it.